So hey everyone, welcome again on the Tech channel. So in the last video, we discussed about the pieces and its feature. And in this video, I will going to show you that how you can configure it on your macOS system. As of now, the pieces offer two type of installation. It's supporting two type of OS, that is macOS and the Windows OS. As of now, they will maybe in future they will come up with the Linux OS as well, but yeah, in this video we will going to configure it with the Mac OS. So to configure the pieces in your system, you have to install two things. The first thing is the pieces software that will going to install using this package, okay, and the second thing will going to be extension, and the extension is specific to the IDE and the browsers. So we will get on that part later, but first thing is we have to install the pieces on our Mac OS system. Okay, so you have to download the pieces package file, and after downloading the pieces package file, you have to do the same thing as you do for other software. You have to double click on it, and it will basically ask you a couple of questions. It will give you an introduction like other packages do, okay, and you have to just install it, and you have to put the password and all the stuff, and it will going to install it on your system, okay. And I will show you that two thing will going to run. That two thing will going to add it in your application folder, and that is essential for the pieces, okay. And now the second thing will going to be extension, okay. So now you have the software installed on your system, and the second thing will going to be extension, okay. And yeah, it is downloaded, okay. And now let me come into the second part. So the first part we already did, and if I will go on a application file, then you will find pieces is already installed. So here we have the pieces and pieces OS. These two things will going to install on your system, okay. Now the second part will come is the configuring your IDE or your browser. So here in a browser, so when you come in the plugin section, then you will find that we have a lots of support available for the code editors and for the browsers. So let's get a Chrome extension for our browser, okay. So I already have installed the Chrome extension for the pieces over here, okay. And we have an extension for the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge as of now. And for the code editor extension, we have an extension for the Ultra Edit code editor, JetBrains, and the VS Code. And these are coming in a future, okay. So we will have to get a VS Code extension as well, okay. So this is the second part, to get a extension for your code editor and the browsers, okay. So open the Visual Studio Code. Let's get an extension for the VS Code as well. And after doing this thing, now if you come into the browser, so let me just close it because we already have a extension for both VS Code and the browser. If you go on any Stack Overflow question or answer section, you will find that in the code editor part, you will have a button called Save button, and once you will click on a Save button, and okay, let me close it as well, and this is a section. So this is okay, it is asking me a sign in, so I am not signing as of now, but this is a software of the pieces. So this piece of code I just saved over here, okay. If I will go here and find another piece of code, if I will click on a save, and if I will go over here, then you will find that this piece of code is also came over here, okay. So you can browse it. This is piece of earlier code, and this is a new code, okay. So that's it for this video. Let's meet on a next video of other projects. Thank you all. Happy coding. See you on our next video.